To fix the F4 error on your washing machine, you first need to understand what the F4 code means. The F4 error code indicates a problem with your machine's heating component. Some causes of the error include a malfunctioning thermostat heater or a clogged filter. To solve the issue, start by inspecting the thermostat heater. Switch off your washing machine. Then carefully remove the back panel to locate the thermostat heater beneath the machine's drum. Check the heater for any damage or burned out wires. If the heater is damaged, you will need to replace it. Next, clean the mesh filter. Switch off your washing machine. Locate the mesh filter connected to the machine with a hose. Gently remove the connected mesh filter and check for clogging from lint and other debris. Clean the filter and reattach it to the machine. Turn the power supply back on and check if the F4 error is resolved. If the machine is still not working, contact the nearest service center for further assistance.